What's good, guys? Don't mind the background. I got my kids here. They didn't go to school today. Suppose there's a storm here, so you hear Blippy in the background. Just don't mind it. All right, so guys, so right here, I sent out the play to the group chat. I mean, not the group chat, the Discord channel. I'm basically looking for the sweep of the highs of the London lows. A nice rejection at the top of this channel, confluenced with taking out the London highs. So I want to see a rejection of the top of my channel, which takes out the London highs, and then I want to target these London lows here. Let's see, guys. Starting to get some rejection. I want a higher push. Hey, I'm working, buddy. All right, so we gotta be quiet. All right, let's see. I want to see this keep going. Yes, sir. I want to see it up here. If we start closing under, then that's when I'll start positioning it. But as of right now, we're above, and I still want that rejection off the top. Let's see. Let's see, yeah. Good power. Let's be patient here. Let's wait for this plan to play out. A little higher. Yeah, I think this might be a nice choice for Blippi's Halloween costume. Oh, a magnifying glass. Wonder why that's there. This gives me a great idea. Let's go take these costumes to Blippi. Come on. There we go. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Maybe we could just swoop. Yeah. A little more. I'm at my first position here, and then I'll keep adding if it gets another rejection here. So I want to enter in that zone, this zone particularly. So I'll enter another one once we reject the top. Yeah, right here. Another one here. Yeah, that's what I want to see. That's what I want to see, baby. Thanks for listening to my music. We got 15 minutes to market open, so let's see how price treats it here. It's probably gonna be consolidating here a little bit until market open. But yeah, if we start getting under here, before market open, I'm probably gonna shave some profits off just because market open could make a quick spike up. Yeah, I wanna see NQ come down here. I'll take the majority of my profits here because what we could do is sit in our hands and let this play out. That's all we could do here. I do want to see price come back down here though for the market open. At least this trend line. I'll close here majority of my shit. closure under the London highs. I'll place my stops to break even. Alright guys, we got that break below. I want to see a closure now under here. That'll be dope. Alright. So we got a nice drop here. Back to the lows. So right now, hey guys, I'm working. Get off that. Get off. Don't stop making noise. Thank you. Nice drop, nice drop. Camera. You can see right there. Say down, down, go down. Say, tell him, go down, go down. Go down, go down. Oh. Show the camera right here, look. Right here, look. Tell him to go down.
Go down.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Stops are break even. So I'm gonna take actually here. Take majority off the table. Guys, let's go. Go to the chat, man. Let's go, man. Come on. Let's go. We're doing good. I thought we were doing good. That's what happened. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go here, guys. Full sweep, sniper entry, man. We doing this almost every day, guys. I can't make this up. It's right here in front of us. Bro, it's every day, man. We got everybody in the chat. Look at that. I'm getting text messages. I'm getting everything right now. Let's go, baby. Right now. Full sweep. Let's go. TP smash. TP smash, guys. TP smash, guys. Come on. We winning here. That's what happened. We winning. That's what happened.
Daddy, what happened?
Look, he's going down, down, down.
Down. Look right there. Down. This is down. And this is up. Try it up.